Hello, this is Ron today from Ron's Drone RC and Camera channel, and I have a new product I want to do a unboxing and review for you today. It's the propeller holder for the Mavic 2 by PGY Tech, a maker of many accessories for drones, including many of the DJI drones. I purchased this on Amazon. Full disclosure, I purchased with my own money. I wasn't sent this as a review unit. It's I'm going to put the link down below and the price. It's a very affordable product. I believe it was only like $11, but I'll link it down below. So let's get into the unboxing and the demo of how to use it with your Mavic. Okay, we're back with the PGY Tech propeller holder for the Mavic 2 series of drones from DJI. So to save a little time here, I've already taken it out of the box. You don't really need to see it. Well, you know, while I'm here, we'll show you what came in the box. It was packaged very well, very quality. It comes with a little instruction manual on how to put the prop guards on, so the holders. So that's nice, and they were in this little a box here. So it was very well packaged and had this little piece of plastic around too. But again, very nice packaging. But we're gonna skip to the chase here since. Wasn't that nice of packaging, but it was good for the price. So okay, here is the top holder for the top propellers, and here is the bottom holder, of course, for the bottom propellers. Now we'll go back to the top here for a second. This little strap just comes across here. You just pull it off like this, and it's made of this is like a little stretchy rubber material here, and then this is a harder plastic piece here on the sides to hold it on, so without getting my hands in the way. So you just want to have the propellers in the middle like this, and then put the band on one of the arms, and then this on the other arm here. You can see where I have it here, so the propellers don't flop around anymore. Now this doesn't fit real tight. It's tight, but it's not like super tight. It's not going to hurt the propellers or bend them at all, but will stay on. You can turn it upside down and shake it, and the propellers aren't moving, so that's good, right? All right, so now we're going to go to the bottom part here. Now this is a little more complicated here. It has this little rubber piece here, so you want to just pull it down and then off. Now this is a solid piece of rubber. Good industrial rubber, soft, flexible, but also has some hard parts on it. So what you want to do is you want to, line your props up here, and you see it has these little grooves here to hit the little, the line up of the little legs there. So you want to, get your props in here, and then you want to line up, with the legs like so. I hope you can see that in the camera, and then your props won't move on the bottom too. Can you see if I get a better view of that, how that fits in there on the on these two legs? So again, holds it in very well. You can't shake it loose. So this is really handy. So you said your props don't flop all around, and just hold on just a second here. I'm going to get my my case up here just to show this. This is my DJI Mavic 2 case that I bought on Amazon. I did a review on this a little while back. I won't go over the details again. It doesn't really have a brand name that I can see, but it's, I have the link. I'll put the link in this video too for it. So this is where the Mavic 2 goes. So you just put it in like so. So it fits in perfectly with the prop holders on. No issues at all. You can close it up here. Velcro it down just like usual. Put the top on. Zip it shut as usual. So it doesn't make the drone any more bulky inside the case than it did outside of the case. So kind of a simple review today. It's not a whole lot to say. It's a simple product, but very useful and very affordable too. So if anybody would like their products more secure, especially if you're putting in a bag that's not as custom made for the Mavic. Like I like to stick my Mavic 2 just in my generic camera bag sometimes, and instead of a DSR, I could fit this in there, and this will be real handy to protect the props in case of using a just a non-standard case for the Mavic 2. So if anybody has any questions about this product, please leave a comment below. Again, I'm not associated with the seller. I didn't get this as a review unit, so you can use my link to purchase it, but you don't have to. I'm not getting any commission or kickback at all on the purchase. Just trying to spread information and out there about handy little add-ons for your Mavic 2 Pro. So thanks for tuning in and checking out my little video here. I like to do little reviews like this on drones and cameras and other tech like this. So I'm going to make a playlist up, I guess, of all my reviews, so you can check that out on my channel. So please take the time to like this video if you got any value out of it, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, and of course ring that bell if you want notifications for when I'm posting up new videos. I had recently posted up a cinematic style video from when I flew at the beach a couple days ago, called Beach Boats and Surfers, so check that one out too. That wraps up today's video. Again, this is the propeller holder for the Mavic 2 by PGY Tech. Fits the Mavic 2 series of drones, top and bottom holding for your props. I hope you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. It's a neat little product. Go out and check it out. Check my link out, and hope you got something out of this, and stop by soon and check out the channel again. Have a good evening.